snakes, fox, and ducks. But we're just gonna go with snakes. This time, we're playing Slither.io. Alright, let's do it. That's my gaming name. Who the fuck cares? Yeah, with this skin, bitch. We're having a crystal. Like the crystal gems. We are the crystal gems. We'll always save the day. And if you think we can, we'll always find you. Fuck the pearl. Wait, what? Oh shit, the server's lagging. Oh shit! Fuck. Damn it. Let's play again. I hope we're going to the billboard because we're so fucking sexy with our crystal. Do you see that? So sexy. Yeah. Why can't I eat that? Thank God. Okay, let's go there. Let's go to the center. But I still can't get my mind off our sexy crystal. Fuck! It's still going. Come on. Fuck you! Finally we can skip it. God! Thank God. Oh shit. The server's laggy. Well, fuck it. Is this Pokemon Go servers? Fuck! Nobody can take our sexy crystal and eat it. Yeah, that's right. Nobody takes our sexy crystal. Because we eat shit. See, that's dog shit. Shit! Why am I not going to the center? Well, I'm pretty close. I'm scared. Fuck. Oh! That's lovely. That's really lovely old chap. Those are really lovely. Oh! Damn it, I got a key off my keyboard. Damn it, I got something off my keyboard. Fuck. Shit, fuck. Why you? I became a dolphin. There's a sexy crystal there. Nobody eats our sexy crystal because we're too hot. Wait a minute. Why am I going out of the center? Okay, let's go to the center. Let's speed it up a bit. Guys, this is gonna be a long trip. I've been going far and wide, searching far and wide, and I'm gonna tell you. Guys, holy shit, we're here. Alright. We're gonna do this. Fuck shit! Oh my god, that was so close. So fucking close. Shit! Close. Oh!